guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and hit that bell because it notifies you every single time that I post, because sometimes the subscribe button be tripping. As you can see by the title, today's video is going to be a dressing like a Bratz doll to school for a week. Yeah, let's hope I don't get dress coded. So if you guys have any questions about this hair, check out my last video. It'll be in the description box below. And so basically in this video, I'm just going to show you guys my outfits, what I'm wearing to school, and get my friend's opinion on it. But here's the Bratz that I'm trying to copy. So I just have on this black, what is it called? Beret. I have on this striped shirt I got from Cotton On, this fluffy jacket. These are the kind of only like charcoal wash jeans that I have, and then I don't have any brown shoes like she has on, but I'll just be wearing my Nikes. So I just showed her which one I'm trying to be. But how do you think I did?
I think you did really good, Leah.
I messed it good. Okay, so you don't even know why you're in the YouTube video, but I'm dressing like a Bratz doll for every day of the week. So I'm going to show you the Bratz doll that I'm trying to represent. And you're going to tell me how I did.
Okay. Show me. She did pretty good. I think everything but the shoes, you know.
You didn't have to mention that. I'm just sitting there showing my fingers and my nails are not done. You didn't have to mention that.
Well, they did. Out of 10, I'm going to give it 8. 8.
Alright guys, so I will put a picture right here of the Bratz that I'm trying to copy. I have on this brown scarf like they did in the photo, a pink crop top. I don't have a fluffy one, so I just compromise. And then these jeans, I really love them. They're like cargo pants, but they're wide at the bottom. And then this is really what I'm going to be looking like, a hot, tacky mess. But it's okay because it's for the video. Oh my god, I look bad. Let's get these reactions.
Nigga, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Yeah,
4K.
you lying.
No, I'm not. I'll show you after. Okay. So, oh my god. I'm doing a dressing like a Bratz for a week. Okay, and you seen the picture I just showed you. How do you think I did? Wait. What's the word? Inquiring. That's the word, right? Dress code. Obviously, I can't wear a two-top in my bandana, you know? So,
You mean considering dress code?
yeah, that's what I was going to say, but anyway.
I don't know what fucking inquire is.
That's not a word.
Inquire is a word, but like inquire means to question.
Oh, you're smart. Okay, so how do you think I did? I look tacky. I'm going to change.
Nah,
because
the pants on point with the shirt. It's like, they remind me of
But
Cheetah
with
Girls. This remind me of Cheetah Girls.
That's bad. I don't want to look like a cheetah girl.
Man, Cheetah Girls is lit.
It's a Bratz challenge. I look tacky. I'm going to change, so don't even come for me.
What happened? You trying to dress up like a rat? You gotta show her the picture, and she make a YouTube video.
You have to wait. I'm waiting on her reaction.
I told her
I told you I look tacky. He's sitting there lying to me.
I said you got on Cheetah Girl pants.
Yes. You taking a long time with them shoes.
I feel it only don't fit
I
because
said
of the shoes.
I like the pants, but they Cheetah Girl pants. They remind me of Cheetah Girls. That's all I said.
No.
Okay, so what do you think about it? Is it ugly?
That's
That's what we're saying.
Don't ever wear that.
all I'm saying is,
So you straight up lied to me?
I said I like your pants.
No,
they remind me of the
you
Cheetah
said
Girls.
the pants is straight with the shirt
I
is
said the
straight.
pants. No. Steve believe part of the truth out and just point something specific out.
I said I look tacky, right?
Yes.
I know it wasn't crazy.
I ain't answer that question.
Sugarcoating. Don't listen to him.
I said I like the shiny pants. That
I'm
was about
changing.
it.
I have a whole outfit in my backpack. You like my outfit before I changed?
I was shook.
Was it that ugly? I was like, okay, I'm cute enough. I'm cute enough to make it work.
It wasn't super ugly, but it was really tacky.
Okay, I'm gonna show them my outfit so they can not judge me. Bye. Alright guys, so I don't want you guys to come for me in the comments because I'm still a little hurt from yesterday. You know, my heart really hurts. I thought you were my friends, my people. That roast session just wasn't it, hunty, so I decided to dress low-key for today. This is the Bratz doll I'm trying to represent. I know it's not like a real Bratz doll. It's probably someone else's like home Bratz doll that they dressed up, but this is the only simple outfit I can find. So like I said in the picture, it has a striped shirt. I had a white belt Can't find it. Where's it at? I don't know. Some charcoal whipped jeans, and then my Adidas shell toes. There was no shoes in the picture, so I just put on some white shoes. And of course, my hair in a half up, half down. And since this style is so basic, I'm not gonna have anybody react to it. But stay tuned for the next 2 days because them shits is gonna be popping. Okay. Alright guys, so here's my outfit. Here's the BRATZ doll that I'm trying to represent. I got my hair in 2 pigtails, as you can see. I got on this black shirt. I had a perfect shirt for it, but I never wore it, so I got rid of it. Now I wish I just don't go through my clothes and get rid of stuff. But then I have on these red pants with black in them. I also had some different plaid pants, but they were green instead of black, so these ones match better. And then some platform high top shoes. And yeah, that's my outfit. I feel really cute. I decided to do the red for Valentine's Day, even though I'm bootless, but hey, we still cute. Okay, so how do you think I did with my little outfit?
I like it a lot. You look really cute.
Come here.
Just like the Barbie,
Huh?
you know what I'm saying?
Come here.
How did I do?
I usually use an 8.
Why does everyone could give me
8.5.
8? Can I not get a 10?
Yeah, you have to earn it.
So
But you look cute though. Who's cute?
what did I do for what is an 8? What,
8 is good.
No, what is wrong that I didn't get a 10?
It's like not to like the T. It's not matching to the T.
You don't look exactly like
Yeah.
her,
But
but
you
you look
did
like
close
her.
enough. You still look cute though.
It's so hurt.
How'd I do? Come on, Joe.
You was close enough. You wouldn't be able to wear that real outfit to school anyway, so you was close enough.
Honestly, I had a shirt like it, but then I never wore it, so
You
I
was
got
gonna
rid
be able
of
to
it.
wear it to school anyway.
I can wear whatever I want.
Not-
So rate my outfit. No.
I give you
How I did?
8.5.
Another 8.
Change their logo.
You had 8 already?
Yes, from everybody. Any of y'all. How do you think I did? You seen the photo?
7. I'm gonna give it a 5.5. A 7.5.
A 5.5.
Are you a ruthless?
Y'all rude.
Say something like cool.
I don't mess with these people.
I
Girl,
got
yes you do. You know you mess with us now. Shut up.
What is it?
Okay, you look like you're going to a strip club. How do you think I did? Like, rate it 1 to 10.
10.
What? That's like my first 10. Really? Everyone's giving me 8. Okay, how do you think I did?
I give you a 10.
Oh, really? Oh my God, yay! That's my second 10. Everyone else, 8. Thank you. I got a 10, y'all. Yeah, I ran out of time this morning to do my OOTD, but Priscilla doesn't think I look anything like the doll. But I just think it's the same color shirt and I got the same color boots, so same thing, you know what I'm saying?
It was barely the same thing, but you still look cute.
So you saw the picture, how do you think I did?
Yes, I loved it. You should put like a green in the braid.
So 1 out of 10.
8. Color really compliments you, and I really like how you did this braid. You know what I'm saying? You really look like a Bratz, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna rate you.
Snapchat on there, first of all.
Now, if you had some high heel boots, you'll be fine as free. I'm telling you.
I have them in my backpack.
High heel
I'm gonna get in trouble. Rate it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you an 8.
8, okay. Snapchat, go, hurry up.
Add me on Snapchat. Meets me some 1 to 3. But y'all go subscribe to my channel, Trade Your Storybook. We're gonna be doing some collabs together, you know, one day. Whenever I feel like dressing up for an entire
She
week.
was supposed to dress up a long time ago.